Welcome back to your YoERP web app training series. In the Go Live checklist, we set up master data and documents. Now we follow how staff actually work day to day. Video 15 is a retail day at the till, the POS. If you run a shop, pharmacy counter, or any walk-in sales desk, this is your main screen. Video 17 covers the B2B day with quotations and formal invoices. Here we focus on speed at the counter. So let's go to sidebar, sales, then click POS. This is the POS, a full screen till. The header shows the company and current time. Along the top, we have shift tools suspended for packed sales, view register and close register for the cash drawer session, plus shortcuts and calculator. And you are in standard mode, the everyday retail layout. Some tenants also have restaurant mode. We stay on standard for a clinic or a shop counter. On the left, you manage customer, store settings in the cart. On the right, you search or tap products, pay, suspend and clear, stay disabled until something is in the cart. That is normal. So first, the job of the day, open the cash register. Your YoERP requires this before you can sell. Enter your opening float, the cash in the drawer, and click open register. You can record more than one currency if you trade in US dollar and Zimbabwean dollar. If POS loads without the model, as on this demo, the register is already open for demo admin. In production, each cashier opens the register when their shift starts. Then let's go to store options. Branch and warehouse are under store options, not in the main header. Confirm the correct branch and warehouse. Product stock on these tiles come from that warehouse. Wrong warehouse means wrong availability or grayed out items. If fiscalization is enabled, pick the branch fiscal device and tick fiscalize cell when you need a ZIMRA receipt. Leave test the record unchecked for live trading. Then let's close. Then you can search the customer here. So for walk-in retail, often needs no customer. Leave it blank for anonymous counter sales. Search when you want a named client for statements or account sales. The plus button quick adds a new customer without leaving POS. So we are going to leave this customer blank. Then set currency before you add lines, US dollar or Zimbabwean dollar, so that prices and change calculate correctly. Print receipt sends a receipt to your thermal printer after payment when printing is configured. So you can add items by tapping a tile, typing in search or scanning a barcode into the search field. Use the category drop down to narrow the grid. So you can narrow the grid by using the category drop down. So we are going to tap on Consultation Consumables pack. Then it drops into the cart on the left. So you can adjust the quantity with plus or minus or remove a line. Then total takes a net update automatically. Pay, suspend and clear are now active. If a tile is faded or grayed out, that product manages stock and has zero quantity in this warehouse unless overselling is allowed. Receive stock or pick another warehouse to sell it. If a customer steps away, click suspend to pack the cart. Later, open suspended in the header, pick the cell and continue. So we can suspend cell. Then we can go and click on the suspended cells, then restore. Yes, restore it. So we have restored. Now we can continue the cell. So we'll not demo the full flow today, but cashiers use it daily in busy queues. But we have already given you a hint of what goes on. So pay opens payments. Choose payment type. Is it cash, card, mobile money, or whatever your admin has configured? So let's pay. Payment type is cash, currency US dollar. Then complete payment. So now we have the receipt. So for EcoCash or similar, enter the mobile number and click process payments. POS waits for the provider to confirm before finishing. So now POS saves the sale is completed immediately. Stock reduces for inventory items and a linked invoice is created behind the scenes. The cart clears so you are ready for the next customer. As you can see, we no longer have any item in the cart. In a real shift, you repeat this all day. Open register once, sell, then close. Each completed sale is a final transaction, not a draft. So view register shows movements for your open session, opening floats, cash sales, and other activity tied to this till. So as you can see, we have already made a payment. It was a cash payment of $150 $96. At handover or end day, close register ends the session. Reconcile physical cash against the register report before the next cashier opens a new session. So supervisors and back office staff use sales orders to find past till transactions. So we are going to go back. Then so we are going to go back. Sales, then sales orders. So we have this sale order that we just made. So the same cell also appears in the invoices when you need a formal billing document or customer statement. So here is the same cell from the POS. Your YoERP also has cells. Create cell at here, create sales order. A full screen cell with richer line editing, discounts, attachment, and explicit status control. Use POS for speed at the counter. Use create cell when you need more detail without a till layout. So here's the create cell. So cashiers can have redirect to POS on their user profile. So they land here after login instead of the dashboard. So they land on the POS after login instead of the dashboard. So chapter 4 covers POS, stock rules, cash register, practice, suspend and resume, mobile payments, and fiscalization. So you will have to read chapter 4 alongside video 14 if you fiscalize at the till. That is the retail day in your YoERP. Open the register if needed, set store options, tab products like Consultation, Consumables, pack, and Farmers Starter stock. Pay, complete payment, close register, and verify in sales orders. So our next video is going to be requisitions and internal buying, how departments request stock before purchasing. Thank you for watching the video.